Hi friends, now I am going to explain a theorem in subspace. Topic is subspace and we are going to prove one theorem in subspace. The theorem is the intersection of two subspaces is also a subspace of V. Okay, so let us prove. So before starting the answer, we need to understand what the question means. The intersection of two subspaces is also a subspace of V. So we have two subspaces and one vector space. Okay, let V be a vector space. Okay, the intersection of two subspaces. So we need to take two subspaces. Let W1 and W2 be two subspaces of V. Okay, now what we need to prove? We have to prove W1 intersection W2 is also a subspace of V. We have to prove intersection of two subspaces is also a subspace of V. So to show intersection of two subspaces is also a subspace of V, we need to satisfy two conditions. One is subspace should be non-empty. Okay, subspace should be non-empty. And second condition is subspace should satisfy the abelian group. As we all know, what is the definition of subspace? Subspace is nothing but it is a non-empty subset of vector space V. A subspace W is said to be a non-empty subset is said to be a subspace if that subspace is itself a vector space and satisfies the properties abelian group. Okay, so we all know. So let us prove whether that subspace is non-empty or not. Okay, first condition, let us take one element, say 0 belongs to W1 and 0 belongs to W2. As we have seen, 0 is in W1 as well as in W2. So what is the meaning of intersection? Intersection means one element is common in both the subspace. So which implies 0 belongs to W1 intersection W2. It means 0 is in W1 as well as in W2. Okay, if an element contains in both the subspaces, then it is called intersection. So 0 belongs to W1 intersection W2. So this W1 intersection W2 is a non-empty subspace. Therefore W1 intersection W2 is a non-empty subspace. Okay, now second one is it should satisfy abelian group. Yes, so let us take two scalars A and B belongs to F. As we have two subspaces, then we have to take two scalars from field F and let x comma y from W1 and x comma y from W2. We have taken two scalars from field and two vectors from W1 as well as from W2. Okay, so as we have AB from F and XY from W1, we have to satisfy abelian group. So AX plus BY belongs to W1. Okay, and also AB belongs to F and x comma y belongs to W2. So AX plus BY belongs to W2. Okay, so as we have seen, AX plus BY is in W1 as well as AX plus BY is in W2. So AX plus BY is common in W1 and W2. So we can write it in this way: AX plus BY belongs to W1 intersection W2. Yes. So therefore it satisfies abelian group. Therefore W1 intersection W2 is a subspace of V. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.